Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your videos which are limited ads, or which videos are not monetized in new YouTube studio. So we are in dashboard. You click on videos, on your channel videos, and then you go to here, filters, here as you can see, filters. You go to monetization, and then here you got options: monetize, not monetized, and limited. So I will choose limited. Which videos on my channel are limited ads? With limited ads, apply. So I got one video. Then to cancel this operation, to go to same options, just click the cross, click on the filter again here, monetization, which videos not monetized, apply, tick and apply. So is here, as you can see, nothing, all are monetized. That's how you check your non-monetized and your videos with limited ads. Thanks for watching. Bye.